हेलो स्टूडेंट, नमस्कार। मैं आपको आज इंग्लिश 12th क्लास की इंग्लिश के चैप्टर नंबर 6 मेमोरी ऑफ चाइल्डहुड बाय जिट कलासान बामा इसके लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन करवा रहा हूँ आपको। ठीक है नहीं? तो ये लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन आप देख लो। इसमें नरेटर पहला क्वेश्चन है, द नरेटर इन द कटिंग ऑफ माई लॉन्ग हेयर रेसिस्ट एंड फाइट्स अगेंस्ट द अटेम्प्ट ऑफ द शेकिंग एंड लॉन्ग एंड हैवी हेयर, हाउ इज द अल्टीमेटली मेड ए लॉस ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट कल्चरल एंड आइडेंटिटी। तो ये क्वेश्चन है। अगर इस चैनल को अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, इसको लाइक कर देना और शेयर कर देना ताकि दूसरे बच्चे भी इसमें से पढ़ सकें। ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर है ये, इन द कटिंग ऑफ माई लॉन्ग हेयर द टाइटल नेटिव अमेरिकन गर्ल्स कैन नॉट मेक इंजस्टिस ऑपरेसिव वीकली। She wants to maintain her own American identity. She wants to have a long and heavy hair. It is the tradition of her community. Only two cowards have single hair among them. She does not submit but resist. She fights till the overpowered. The narrator was not willing to submit. She crawled under a bed and huddled in a dark corner. She struggled with the fear whenever she heard footsteps nearby. When discovered, she resisted by kicking and scratching wildly. Then she was dragged out. She was carried downstairs and tried to chair. Then they cut her long and beautiful hair, and no one came forward to help her. ठीक है, ये है उसको इसका दस द नरेटर लॉस्ट हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कल्चर एंड इकोनाइज हर आइडेंटिटी। अगला क्वेश्चन है आपका, What activity did Bama witness on her way back home from school? और इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन आए, Why did Bama stroll in the marketplace instead of hurrying home? Describe the sights or enjoyed sitting here. Bama took half an hour to the 1 hour to cover a distance of the 10 minutes walk from her school to her home. This was because she liked to watch the performing monkey, the snake, which the snake's charmer kept in box, and cyclist. Who did not get off his bike for 3 days and other interesting. इसका आंसर यहाँ से शुरू है ये। हाँ ठीक है, इसका आंसर यहीं से है ये, जो बचा हुआ आंसर था इसका। ठीक है ना, यह है हु डिड नॉट गेट ऑफ his bike for 3 days and interesting activities. The Pongal offering being cooked in front of the Marian temple and dried fish, sweets and fried snakes stall the street light that demonstrated changing colors all interested her. The hunter gypsy with the wild rumor. The hunter gypsy with the wild drummer, people singing needles, clay beds and tools of the killing out of the ears, measures and the bond air, the street play, puppet show, political parties, which people giving long speeches, the coffee clubs and the process of the cooling the coffee, nothing escaped for her notice. The various seasonal fruits and the vegetables that are displayed also struck her. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है ये आपका। It may take a long time of the operations to be resisted, but the seeds of the replication are so rare in life. How did Jitkala Shah face oppressive as a child and how did she overcome it? ठीक है, तो ये इसका आंसर है। आंसर इसका ये, Jitkala Shah and Bama were school going children when they witnessed thorough treatment being meted out to themselves or their community. Both episodes prove that injustice in any form does not escape notice even by children. Chitkala Sahib revolt and resist against the school authorities with all her might because she does not want her hair to be singled like that of the cowards. Bama to realize the oppression and her community faces. She put a fight the bringing rules to her community through her scholarly achievement. Thus, the proves that she is superior to the so-called upper caste. So I agree. ठीक है नहीं तो ये क्वेश्चन था आपका लिख लो आप अगला क्वेश्चन है इन इंडिया Location in India, the so-called lower caste have been treated cruelly for a long time. Who advised Bama to fight against the prejudice when and how? तो ये है आपका ये क्वेश्चन लिख लो Bama's brother Anna told her about his class discrimination when the narrator him the incident in which man was carrying a small packet and holding it by string without touching the packet at all. He had been warned that if he touched the packet, he could defile it, making it impossible for the landlord to eat its contents. He went to landlord's ठीक है यह है he went to the landlord's board low and extended the packet towards him. Bama found his situation funny, but her brothers told her that there was nothing funny when the man carried the package by the steering of his landlord. The upper class people believed that low caste people should not touch them even though they ठीक है तो ये आपका है आंसर ये आपका आंसर है they were supposed to do whatever they the upper caste wanted them to do them. Anna advised Bama to study with care. तो ये क्वेश्चन आपका learn all the could she could stay ahead of other her lesson so that they could come her to themselves then only could they throw ठीक है तो अगला क्वेश्चन ये है आपका what are the similarities in the lives of Bama and Jitkala so though they belong to different cultures ठीक है तो ये है द स्ट्रगल ऑफ द आइडेंटिटी एंड द ऑपरेशन फेस्ड बाय द मरलैंड कम्युनिटी इज द कॉमन थ्रेट बिटवीन द lives of Bama and Jitkala Sahib. Jitkala Sahib was taken from her mother and alliance culture was forced on her. She got embraced and craved for her mother. She yearned for freedom. Bama also faced the same kind of the embracement. She belonged to low caste community and she learned that they were stripped of all humor and dignity. Another common thing between them was the way both reacted to their situation. They refused to bow down to exploitation and expression. They decided to fight the social discrimination that their communities had to face. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है आपका ये ठीक है ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है आपका ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है आपका वी टू वुमन बीइंग हाईलाइट्स दिस कास्ट low caste discrimination in society. How do low caste people suffer a account of this? What advice is given to Bama to overcome this problem? तो क्या एडवाइस देंगे आप बामा को तो ये क्वेश्चन आपका आंसर ये आपका लिखा हुआ है इस पर ठीक है ना ये है द लो कास्ट पीपल हैव सफर्ड मिजरेबली एंड हैव बीन segregated and marginalized. Besides being deprived of the opportunities, they faced a social stigma, suffer elimination, face prejudice, and they have been deprived of decent living by the so-called upper caste like the landlords. ठीक है ना The advice given Bama by her elder brother Anna to overcome ये लिख लो आप आराम से इसको ठीक है ना अगला क्वेश्चन है ये आपका, फॉर पीपल लाइक बामा इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू break the shackles that society burdens them with and come out treatment. What should be procedures accurate to help one live without fear? ये क्वेश्चन आपका, तो इसका आंसर दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। तो इसका आंसर है, फॉर पीपल लाइक बामा हु बिलोंग टू एन अनटचेबल कास्ट दे मस्ट possessive or acquire the value of patience, perseverance, a determination to succeed by fighting against all odds and then live without fear. Then only can they necessarily break the shackles that society burden them with, they will come out triumphant. ये लिख लो आप। ठीक है, इसको लिख लो आप आराम से। ये क्वेश्चन है आपका, आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है ये क्वेश्चन बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन है, ये एग्जाम में आने वाले क्वेश्चन है। ये क्वेश्चन भी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है और इनके आंसर भी लॉन्ग होते हैं, ठीक है ना। ये एग्जाम में आने वाले क्वेश्चन है ये। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है ये। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है ये, ठीक है ना, आराम से लिख लो इस क्वेश्चन को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है ये। ये इसका आंसर है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का ये आंसर है ये। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 लिख लो आप, ठीक है ना। ये इसका आंसर है, आराम से लिख लो। ठीक है, ये आपके 10 आंसर लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन है, ये आप लिख लेना है। और इस चैनल को अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, लाइक करना और शेयर करना। थैंक यू।